So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, keeping the chin parallel to the ground. Bringing one hand to the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up to the hands. Exhale, follow them down. And inhale, bringing the arms up. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, down. And inhale and exhale. And bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, and swap them over, coming up and around. But just in your own time, keep a nice, smooth, comfortable movement. Trying to tune into the breathing. Alright, so bring the arms down. We're coming into the easy forward bend, so holding the elbows. Deep bend in the knees, body on the thighs, head resting. And we'll inhale, exhale, trying to straighten the legs wherever we get to. So again, deep bend in the knees, body on the thighs. Inhale, and exhale, straightening. Again, deep bend in the knees, inhale. Exhale, straighten. Now if it feels okay, I'm going to do 2 more. So bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten. So last one. Bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten, and let go of the elbows, fingertips towards the toes, rolling on up through the spine. Onto a balance pose, so standing on the left leg, bring the right leg out, squeezing the belly button in, and we'll lift that right leg. So try and straighten the arms, straighten the leg. So make sure we're breathing. So coming down onto the other side. So standing on the right, left leg ready. Inhale, exhale, lifting the leg. So lengthening all the way to the toes, all the way to the fingertips. And coming down. So we'll do 1 more each side. So standing on the left, bringing the right leg up. Keeping that belly button squeezed, so either staying here or we're going to add leg circles. So we're trying to keep the body still, the upper body, and just circling the leg, and then we'll go the other way. And coming down, so same on the other side. So coming on up into star pose. You can always just stay here, or we add the challenge of circling the leg, trying to keep the body still. And then we'll circle the other way. And coming down. So standing pose, we'll do high lunge, so feet hip width, and we'll take the left foot forward, right foot back, so both sets of toes facing forwards, the back heel is up, the front knee is bent, and just staying with the hands to the chest, and try and sinking down into the pose. we'll come on out. We'll do the other side. So right leg forward, left leg back. Remember both sets of toes facing forwards. Make sure that knee tracking in the same direction as the toes. Just holding there. And then we'll come on out, so bring that back leg forward. So we'll do one more on each side. So left foot forward, right foot back. So once we're steady, bringing the hands to the chest. You can either stay here, or we're going to add a low twist. So we bring the outside of the elbow to the opposite knee. Trying to straighten that back leg. Now you can come out of this easy, or we're going to come out with a forward bend. So we'll bring the hands either side of the foot, step the back leg forwards into a forward bend, and then carefully rolling on up through the spine. Now we'll do the other side. Right leg forward, left leg back. And take the time to get steady, bringing the hands to the chest. So either holding here, or we'll come down into a low twist. So the elbow goes to the outside of the knee, palms pressed together, fingers pointing forwards. And again, you can either come out of it easy, or we're going to add a forward bend. So hands to the floor, step the back leg forwards into your forward bend, and then roll on up through the spine. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. One hand to the chest, the other just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. And just notice if the breathing slows down and the body starts to relax. Now we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.